Hi traders, hope you are well. This is not the full market analysis. We'll have a look at the markets in the next few minutes and the positions we've got open on the yen in particular. However, I want to cover a coaching session for gold on steroids for those people who have it and for those people who want to have it. So this is on steroids software. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is when you trade it. Okay, and if you follow the rules that your charts tell you when to buy. So the chart tells you here to sell, the chart tells you here to buy, the chart tells you here to buy, the chart tells you to buy. Okay. So surprisingly, we've got the FOMC meeting this evening. Surprisingly, gold has rallied back to $5,000, which did surprise me a little bit. I did think we'd have a reversal at this point here at around 49.50, but it didn't actually materialize. But if you follow the rules of the gold on steroids, you can't go wrong. So a buy signal back here during the Asian session gave you a lot of money. A sell signal during the London Open gave you 239 pips, I think, 238 pips. And then a buy signal here, well, that would have given you, if you're trading your charts, 822 pips. All right. So trading the gold on steroids is great fun, and what you can do is just if you're not quite sure, let's go down to the 5-minute chart, shall we? Just as this buy signal and at this sell signal to see what they both look like. We can actually see that the price, waiting for the software to catch up. There we go, and we can see that you've got a buy signal on the 5-minute as well, and a 5-minute as well, and the 5-minute this morning London Open, and the Asian session at midnight, and you can see that price move up and up and up and up and up. So there's a lot of money to be made in it. Congratulations if you're using the software correctly. If you might receive a reversal signal and it doesn't match your gold on steroids chart, then just ignore it. If you're happy to ignore it, then just ignore it and stick with the rules that you've been given. Quick look at the markets. Yen, US yen is moving. So we can see here off this strong demand area here. Dollar is actually pretty flat as we wait the FOMC meeting this evening. We can see here we're expecting it to fall possibly, but it's not. There's no correlation with gold. Something else is going on with gold. Aussie yen, beautiful. This is the QUANTFLOW dynamics software. If you have it, then great. Just waiting for it to catch up. There we go. So this is the QUANTFLOW. It tells you when there's demand. It tells you when there's strong demand. It tells you when to buy. And you just go with the price cycle. Euro yen, how's that doing? I haven't seen these. Wait for this to catch up. Buy power 81 on the QUANTFLOW dynamics software. There we go, just catching up. There we go. So we've got a target here, 183.42. New Zealand yen going against us slightly at the moment, but still holding on to market structure, higher lows into a very strong demand zone. Canadian yen, yeah, looking pretty good. Just waiting for the software to catch up into a very strong demand zone here with divergence. Beautiful reversal here. Beautiful. And the rest of the markets are very, very sluggish actually. Now, a quick look at the euro dollar. Because the dollar DXY is not moving, then of course the euro dollar will not be moving yet. It's trying to go up. It's tried several times, but not going up because the dollar DXY is not falling down. We need the dollar to fall for these to go up. Congratulations on the pound USD. So the US yen is favourite because of the stronger dollar and the weaker yen futures. So while we await the FOMC meeting, of course we'll wait for that, and I'll update you with any updates if there are any. Of course it depends on what they say, and we'll have some fresh charts ready for tomorrow. Just another quick look at gold. Gold 5,005. Hitting a sell zone now, as we can see here, but if you're not into reversals, then just stick with the gold on steroid setting. If you want an update on the settings, if you're not sure of anything, then please contact me with any questions that you might have. But very simply, on this chart, follow the buy and the sell signals. Okay? Have a great day.